How to stop Windows update permanently if you are tired of being updating and all the times whenever you try to shut down or turn on, all the updates starts installing or downloading. So here is the video. In this video I will show you quickly how you can easily and permanently you can stop your Windows update. Now I have application here. Is a very tiny small application, just a few KBs. So simply if I need to disable, I will click on apply and you will see protect services settings, because if you disable from the services, when you restart your computer it starts again. So by this app you will be able to disable permanently, and you can copy this into your C drive, and whenever you need to enable you can simply click on enable updates and click apply and you are done. So very easy. I have given link in description, you can go through that link and download this app. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.